Sir, I can't, sir.
Cannot share. Please try again.
Now it came, sir.
Still not. Yes, Ian.
Sir, can I share the screen?
One by one, everyone will share. Okay, so let's start with Vihan. He is the youngest over here.
Sir, can you wait for like 1 minute because my thing is not opening.
Okay.
So we have to delete the cat sprite.
Yes, we will delete the cat sprite.
Delete.
कुछ सेव लेता हूँ.
Ready, Vihan?
Sir, please wait for some time. My thing
Okay.
is nothing not coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vihan will just wait for Akshitra. Let her come. Then we'll get started.
Okay, sir.
Chris, did you practice any game or not after that?
Sir, done.
Yes, sir, I practice
Practice with whom?
with that.
With that. Okay. All right. Okay. So, very first thing, we will go to backdrop. Click on the backdrop over here and click on paint.
Back.
Yes, let's click on paint. Okay.
1 minute.
So we are going to create a backdrop. Okay. In that backdrop, we are going to first have an alphabet I. Okay. So let's create alphabet I over here. Vian, how are you going to create an alphabet I? Very good. Select text. Very nice. Click on that. Then click over here. Just click and from your keyboard, type I. Okay, very nice. Okay. Can you now make it big? Can you just set?
How to type by keyboard?
What was that? Sorry, come ahead.
Can you explain again? I missed out, I guess.
Sir, I don't know how to, sir.
Okay, we'll do one by one. Okay. So we are creating a backdrop. Okay. So in that backdrop, we will only have a alphabet I. So do one thing, Vihan. Can you select this particular I? Go over here and try to first click over here and then select it. And then through your mouse, can you try to make it big? Just drag your no. First select it and then through your mouse, try to make it big. Can you? Anyone else is able to make that big or not?
Sir, I'm not able to get the letter.
Yes, sir, I'm able to.
How to do that?
Sir, I'm able to.
Okay, so Rakshita, for you have to go to the text one, then you have to click.
I got it.
Okay.
Sir, I can't able.
No one is able to. Okay, sorry. Vihan, what are you trying to do?
I am also able to make.
You are able to expand it, right? So you need to click on mouse at the corner and then try to drag it as such.
Yes, sir. I can.
Okay, who is not able to do it?
Sir, I am able to do it.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have to wait for everyone to be able to do it.
Sir, I
Yes,
can't.
very good. Okay, now try to drag it. Very good.
And how big do we have to make it?
We have to make it big. So let's drag it down. Ian, you are able to do this?
Sir, I
It's
can't.
big, sir.
Make it till this point.
So only a small.
Make it big. Just drag it. Yeah, drag it more. Okay, very good. Okay, now let Ian share the screen. Okay, Ian, please share the screen.
Sir, okay. Sir, he has to stop sharing.
Okay.
अरे रुक जाओ.
Okay, Ian, waiting for you to share.
Sir, this.
Okay, very good. So now what you need to do, select this thing first, the arrow. Select the arrow. Now try to drag it. Make it big. No, first select it and then try to make it big. Yeah. Okay, all right. Just click on this corner and then drag your mouse as such to make it very good. Keep on, okay, very nice. Make it more big.
Sir, we have to make it slanting.
No, he likes slanting. If you like slanting, you can also slant it.
Okay.
But I have done this with.
Sir, how
Okay.
big do we have to make it?
I think this size is good. What he has done. Okay. Yes.
Eyes can't straighten.
You want it straight.
Yes.
Okay. So then you have this thing right at the bottom where you can rotate it. Yes. Please rotate it now. Okay. Is it good now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me go to Krish screen. Okay, Krish. Very good. Now, Krish, we will make one more backdrop. Go to backdrop again. You have created a sprite which is incorrect. Delete the sprite. We don't have to create a sprite to create a backdrop. Go to backdrop. Do you know where backdrop is, Krish?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Click back. Just
Yes, sir.
hover. Yeah. Just put your mouse cursor on backdrop.
Sir, I've done and
You have
click the
done it.
paint.
Okay, very good. Then please make it big.
Sir, we have to make another backdrop.
Yes, I just wants to make sure everyone has made the first backdrop.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we will make the second backdrop, Krish. Okay. Again, go
Copy.
to, huh?
Copy.
No. Go to one more time on the backdrop. Click on paint. Okay, very good. Now over here, type LOVE. And make it big. First select it. Yeah, very good. Very good. Now let me go to Anant's screen. Anant?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Krish, can you stop sharing?
Yes, Ian.
I'm doing
I'm making.
Okay, you are not doing it correctly. Okay, so we have to create a new backdrop. So let's delete this. You are adding costumes, right?
No, sir. Backdrop.
Okay. Then instead of doing one letter by letter, right? You could have typed LOVE at one go, right?
Okay.
You with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me go to Ian. Okay, Ian.
Sir,
So after that, can I show you mine, sir?
Yes, after Ian, you can show. Let Ian show first.
so once again.
Okay, very good. Now try to make it big. Very nice. Now try to move this towards the center. Now move this towards the center. Just drag it towards. Very good. Okay, very nice. Now let me go to Ian. Okay, sorry, Ian is done. Vihan. Okay, Vihan, please share your screen. Oh, very good. How you did it? Very nice. You did.
I just put pixels, sir.
Okay, very nice. Looks very good. Okay, now let me go to Rakshita's screen. Okay, very nice. Okay, now let's add one more backdrop. Add one more backdrop and name it as U. YOU.
Shit.
Everyone done? Everyone has created 3 backdrops?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
I created 4. So I should delete the first normal backdrop.
No, let it be there.
Sir, I don't have the normal backdrop.
That's okay.
Arre.
Okay, let me go to Sagarika.
Sir, 1 second. I'll finish and then I'll
Okay.
start.
Okay. Ian, you have done that? You have created 3 backdrops?
Sir, I am creating.
Okay. Vihan, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me Vihan.
So should I share my screen?
Yes, Vihan, please share. Very good. Okay. Now we are going to add a sprite. So go to sprite and click on this magnifying glass and choose, go to people,
Okay.
go to people, and girl should choose a girl, a boy should choose a boy. Okay, so whichever you like, just choose. Or do one thing. Go to dance. Okay, we'll have some fun. Go to dance.
Okay.
And boy should choose a boy and the girl should choose a girl one.
Sir, almost all are boys only here.
No, there are girls also.
2 or 3.
So I can also see this.
Okay, if you want to choose Jovi, then choose Jovi. Just choose any one of those. Okay, very good. Okay. Now we will do coding for the sprite.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's reduce the size of the sprite. Let's make sure sprite size is 80.
Sir, 80.
Yes, 80. 80. Okay, very good. Okay. Now the sprite. Now go to looks. Go to looks, and let's drag and drop think block. Now we want this sprite to think something. Okay, so thinking could be Father's Day is coming. I want to surprise my father. So Vihan, can you type?
No, sir.
You
Sir,
cannot
what?
type. You are thinking, right? You are trying to create a card for your father. Okay, so whatever comes in your mind, that is something you will type over here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let me go to Ian now. Okay, Ian, please share. Okay, Ian. Now drag and drop the think block and type. Can you type over here? Type Father Day is coming. Krish, you have written something? I cannot hear you, Krish, if you're talking. Very good, Ian. Okay, then do one more thing below this. Do one more thing below this.
So what? What, sir?
Just drag and drop one more think block and let me surprise my father. Can you type down let me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me surprise my father. Sagarika, Rakshita, you can write whatever you feel like, okay?
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Okay, so you don't have to follow what I'm telling you, okay? Vihan, you are able to write?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I have written.
You've written so fast. Okay, just show me your screen, Krish.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Okay, right. Let's wait for others to also confirm.
Sir, can I share next?
Yeah, sure. Please share.
Okay.
Okay, very good, Vaishya. Okay, all right. Now everyone should go and add one more sprite. Now this time, go and choose a heart. Go and choose for a heart. Yeah, choose.
Sir, which one?
I think this first one is good, right? It has different costumes also. If you feel like, just choose any one heart as such. Okay, now we will code for this sprite also. Okay, everyone
Okay.
has added the code heart sprite.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's wait for Vihan.
So should we reduce its size?
Yes, make it 50. Yes, thank you. Make it 50.
Sir, just 1 second, I'll come.
Okay.
सर 50 तो ज्यादा छोटा हो गया.
Okay, then we will actually make this heart go, right? So you can change the size later on also. Okay, let's start with 50.
Sir, can you please wait for 1 minute? I deleted
Okay.
it.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Sagarika also. But others, please make sure you have added the heart sprite also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No,
Vihan,
sir.
no Vihan. Okay. So Vihan, if you can share your screen.
So I'm clicking on it, sir.
Clicking on, I cannot see your screen, Vihan. Okay. Okay. So which one, where is your heart? Okay, very good. Okay, very nice. Now we will code for the heart. Okay. Now go to. Okay, Rakshita.
So where should I go?
We are just waiting for Rakshita now.
So which sprite do we have to add?
Heart.
Which one, sir?
Any heart you like over there. Up to you. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's go to motion. Go to motion, Vihan. Motion block.
Okay.
There would be a block which says glide 1 second, X and Y, right? Just drag and drop that one. Put X as 42, Y as 33.
X is 40. X is 42 and Y?
33.
So did we have to change the heart size or anything?
Heart size later we can change it if you feel it is
So we
too
have
big.
to make that code in the heart.
Yes, in the heart. So we are saying X should be 42. Vian, you have to change that. 42.
Sir, what is Y?
Y is 33. Okay, now let me go to Ian's screen. Okay, Ian, please share. Okay, very good. Now go to looks, and drag and drop next costume over here
So for the heart,
for the heart. We are only doing heart right now.
okay, looks next costume.
Okay, then go to motion again
Okay.
and drag and drop glide 1 second. The 1 second, yes, just drag and drop below next costume. Put X as 100. Y 8. Y will be 8.
So 1 second. Okay. So X 100 and Y
Y is 8.
8. Okay. 8. Okay.
Okay. Then again put next costume.
No.
Sir, we had to put glide 1 seconds to 100 and Y is 8, right?
Correct. Then again go back to motion. Say glide 1 second. Yeah. Put below that. Put X as 42.
Okay.
Y as minus 33. Minus 33. Okay. Then again put next costume.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan.
after this, can I share?
Okay. And again put glide. Go back to motion. Put glide 1 second. Yes. Put X as 0 and Y as 30. So what we are doing, we are making the heart go round and round. Okay. So now just click on it and see how it looks like.
Like a diamond.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now let me go to Vihan's screen. Okay,
And then
Vihan.
again we have to put next costume right below the last.
Yes, you can put it. Yes. Yeah. Thank
Sir,
you.
should I share my screen?
Yes, Vihan. Okay. Then you have to put next costume. Go to looks. Drag and drop next costume. Okay, very good. Then go to motions. Drag and drop glide 1 second. Not this one, the one below that. X is 100. Y is 8. Then again go to motion. Rakshita, you are able to do it, correct?
Yes, sir. And I've done
Okay.
it.
Okay, now go to put next costume. How about you, Krish? Okay, now again go back to motion. Put glide 1 second. And others can see the heart size. If it is too big, you can reduce it also. Put X as 42. Y minus 33. Again, next costume. Go to looks. Do next costume. And if you guys want to change some color, you can change it also, others, okay? Then again do other, again go back to motion. Glide 1 second. X is 0, Y is 30. Okay, now let me go to Krish screen. Okay, Krish, please share.
और मेघन धीरे कर.
Ready, Krish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can't see your screen. Not able to see screen, Krish. You have started the screen sharing? Okay, now I can see it. Now let's add one
Yes,
more
sir.
sprite. Now let's add one more sprite. Go and search for star. Do you have any star over there?
Yes, sir. There is one star.
Okay, let's select the star. And we will now code for this star. Okay.
Where is the star?
Search for star.
Okay. Go to motion.
Okay.
Say turn 15 degree.
Star.
Which side?
Any size will do. Turn 15 degree. Then go to control.
Okay.
Sir, which side turn 15 degrees?
Any side you can select. And drag and drop wait 0.5 second. After that, just drag and drop wait 0.5. Wait 1 second is there, right? So we will wait. Make it 0.5 second.
Okay.
And then again go back to motion. And this time do the reverse way turn. Okay. The one which you selected earlier, this time it will be the opposite way of it. Okay.
Okay.
And put this in a forever block. Now let me go to Anand's screen. Let's put that into forever.
But the star moves way too fast. Sir,
Okay, Anand, please share.
sir,
Yeah, Rakshita.
the star moves way too fast.
That's why we have wait in between, right? So we have to cross check. Anand, just check, click on forever and see how fast it is moving.
It's like this.
Yes. Okay. Then put one more wait after the second turn also.
For 0.5 seconds.
Yeah, 0.5 second. Okay. All right. So now the star is kind of Just check for the stars also. Do we have costume or not? Go to costume and check. Do we have? No, we don't have any costume. Okay, so let it be only one. Okay. So now what we have done, we have created backdrops, we have created sprites. Now we have to start sequencing it. Everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now very first thing, let me go to Ian's screen now. Okay. Okay, Ian, please share. Okay, yeah. Ian, just put this in forever. Very good. Very good, Ian. Now let's go back to the first sprite that we had. Let's go to the first sprite. Very good. Now we have many sprites. We have 3 sprites. We have got 3 backgrounds.
Yes.
Now we are going to start our stitching our program together. Okay. So this boy is thinking for 4 seconds. 2 seconds plus 2 seconds. Correct?
Yes.
Everyone with me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now first put a green flag over here. Put a green flag. Okay, very good. Then after when he is thinking, we want a specific background to be there on the back.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan.
I couldn't do this, sir.
Which one, Vihan?
Yes, sir.
Star.
Star, the coding of star, I didn't do it, sir.
Okay, can you see what Ian has done? Ian, just click on the star code. You click on the star. What is that you are not able to do, Vihan?
So can I share my screen?
But can you see what Ian has done? You can also drag and drop, right? Can you see that? What
Yes,
Ian?
sir.
Okay, so just have a look at it, what blocks he is using. Just try to use the same blocks. Which block you have drag and drop now? You are able to do, Vihan? Okay. Ian, let's go back to the first sprite. So very first thing, this boy is thinking, Father Day is coming. Let me surprise my father. Okay. For that, we should have a background, correct? Now let's go to backdrop over here and click on the magnifying glass, and let's think he is in a bedroom or he's somewhere in his house. So where do you want to place him in the backdrop? Yes, Vihan.
Where is 5 seconds, sir?
That would be in the weight, right? In control, in the weight it would be. So can you select this bedroom?
Where? Which?
Bedroom is over here. This one, Ian. I'm just marking it also on your screen. Okay. So this guy, this boy is standing in his bedroom, correct? Everyone has done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And he's thinking, all right. Then after 4 seconds, why 4 seconds? 2 plus 2 is 4. We have to do something after 4 seconds. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Do one. Now go to heart. Go to heart. Put a wait of 4 seconds over here.
Can you wait for a minute?
Okay.
For 4 seconds.
4 seconds, yes.
Okay.
Because we want this heart, okay, put 4 over there, okay. Over here, put height. So go to looks. Go to and drag and drop height. So there would be height.
Just 1 minute, please.
No problem. You will be able to follow up. Okay, I'll wait as such. And put it over here. Height and put show after 4 seconds. Put show over here.
After wait for 4 seconds.
Yes. So what we are saying, when this program, put a green flag over here. Put a green flag.
So for the heart.
Yes, for the we are coding for the heart. Put a green flag. And then go to control. Go to control. Drag and drop forever block over here. Okay, very good. Now what we need to do, this statement over here to here. Okay, these all should be within the forever block. Okay, starting from glide, okay, till this one. It should be in the forever block.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan?
after this, can I
Very
share
good.
my screen?
Yes, Vihan. Now you can share your screen. So I just want to make sure now what we are doing with Vihan, others should be able to catch up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So some I couldn't do, sir. This I couldn't do, sir.
Okay, heart. So very first thing over here, put a weight. Go to control. Put a weight of 4 seconds. 4. Put 4 over here. Why I'm seeing few of you guys upside down? What special you guys have done? Okay. Then go to looks. Go to looks. Scroll down. Drag and drop height over here. And drag and drop show after wait 4 seconds. No, after 4 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Yes, height will be over here and show will be after 4 seconds.
Yes, sir.
So this show will be over here. Very good. Now go to control. Go to control. Drag and drop forever and put it over here. Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, just put it. Very nice.
Flag.
And put a green flag. Okay. So what we are doing, just give me 1 second, okay? We are saying whenever our program starts, hide the heart, wait for 4 seconds and then show it. Why 4 seconds? Because for 4 seconds, this sprite was thinking. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Okay, now let's go to who wants to share next?
So me.
Sir,
Okay,
can I
Anand.
share?
Let Anand share, okay? I'll come
Okay.
to you. Okay, Anand. Now let's go and code for the star.
Okay.
Now put this star on the top over here, near the head of this particular person. Yeah, somewhere over here. Very good. Okay. And then over here also put the same thing. Go to looks. First, let's go to looks. we'll say, yeah, just drag and drop height. Okay.
Okay.
Then go to control, wait for 4 seconds, and then after that put show. Go to looks and let's say show.
Okay.
Everyone with me? Everyone has done this. Ian, you
That-
have done this, and put a green flag.
Okay.
Everyone done?
Sir, show after forever, sir.
No, show is before forever.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let now Sagarika share the screen. Okay, Sagarika.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are at the beach. Very good. Now we are going to do coding for the backdrop.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so select your backdrops. So you, how many backdrops did you create it? Go to your backdrops.
Sir,
Okay, so now we need to show these backdrops. I love you. Okay,
Okay.
Everyone with me? So now let's go to code.
sir, after this, can I share?
Okay, you share now, Vihan.
Sir, coding for the bedroom, that one, or I love you, that one.
Yes, so that is what we are going to do. So
So
let
which one
Vihan-
first, the letters or the bedroom?
Yes, I'll tell you. So you can see what Vihan is going to do.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So you are at the star right now. Okay. Put over here wait. Go to control. Go to control. Put wait. Wait for 4 seconds. Put over here hide. Go to looks. Put hide on the top. Then put a green flag. Okay, very good. Okay, now we are going to do coding for the backdrop. Now click on your backdrops. Click on the backdrops. No, do not just. Okay. Okay, very good. Now click on the code. Okay.
So which backdrop are we coding for?
No, so we will only code. There is only one screen to code for the backdrop. Okay. So did you guys click on the backdrop or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone has clicked.
So the blank backdrop.
Which one? I'll come to that. I just want to make sure that everyone has backdrop with them, right?
So I selected the bedroom backdrop.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now do one thing. Go to looks. Go to looks. Drag and drop, switch backdrop. Let the first backdrop be your bedroom backdrop, okay? Because when you're going to start your program, you will have a backdrop, bedroom backdrop, correct? Okay, then you're going to wait for 4 seconds. Go to control. And just remember why you are waiting for 4 seconds, because that person is thinking for 4 seconds, okay?
Sir, do I have to put it here?
Yes, please attach it. Yeah. Make it wait for 4 seconds. Then again go to looks.
Sir, can I share?
Okay, Jan, I'll come to you, Jan. Let him first complete.
After
Then,
it, can I share?
yes. Then put again switch backdrop.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Put and select the backdrop where your letter I was there. You had a backdrop for letter I, correct? Alphabet I. Which one was that?
Backdrop.
For that, you need to go over here in the backdrop and search for it. What's the name of your I? I name is backdrop 2, correct?
Backdrop means things which the backdrop 5.
Okay, and then wait for 1 second. And now let me go to Yan's screen. Okay, Yan.
Sir, should I put wait for 1 second?
1
Yeah,
second.
wait.
and then switch
Yeah,
back.
yes, wait for 1 second, then put your next backdrop. Okay,
Do I
Yan,
have to
please.
attach it here?
Yes, please attach it. And I'll again do a switch backdrop.
Okay, sir.
Sir, again to the same backdrop.
Then you will have the next backdrop, right? I is done. Then you do love, correct?
Okay, sir.
So we have to do a switch backdrop, then wait for 4 seconds, then again a switch backdrop, and then wait for 1 second, again a switch backdrop.
Correct, yes. Okay. Now after this, Ian, do a wait. Go to control. Do a wait for 4 seconds. Okay, attach it. Then do a switch backdrop again. Go to looks. Switch backdrop. Not this one. Switch backdrop. Okay. And select it. Just click over here and select backdrop 2. Backdrop 2.
Sir, upper is also backdrop 2.
Okay, now let's see which is your backdrops. Click over here. No, over here. So you are click on I. Click on I over here. Your I is backdrop 2. Okay. Your name of I is backdrop 2, correct? So that's why in the coding we have said change it to backdrop 2. Go to your code. Go to your code again. Go to your code.
Something happened.
Okay. Now put a wait again.
Something happened.
Put your wait again. Put wait for 1 second. Then do a switch backdrop. Go back to looks.
Backdrop.
Yeah. Okay. Now do switch backdrop. Select backdrop 3. Very good. Then again do wait for 1 second.
Can change off.
Okay. Now again do switch backdrop. Krish, you are able to do it. Now backdrop 4. Make backdrop 4. And put a green flag. Okay, now let me go to Anand's screen. Okay, Anand.
Sir, there is double 2 here. 2 and 2.
There are double 2. No, one is bedroom. This is backdrop, right? Spellings are different. That's okay.
Sir,
Okay, let Anand share. Yeah, Anand.
Okay. Then again wait.
Anand, do you have a bedroom as a backdrop or not?
Yes, sir, I have
Show me your backdrops.
my background.
Show me your backdrop. Which one is your bedroom? Your
This
bedroom
one.
3. Okay. So bedroom 3 is the one. Okay. All right. Show me your code again. You start with bedroom 3. Okay. Very good. Now let's go full screen and see how it looks like. Go full screen and try to play it.
Okay, so
This Father's Day is coming. Let me surprise my father. I love you. Okay. All right. Now let's try to improve it. Okay. Who is
okay.
going to share the screen? Krish?
Sir, can I share my screen?
After Krish, okay?
Yes, sir.
I stopped sharing.
So Anant, you can change color of heart if you want, okay? All right.
Yes, sir.
Krish. Oh, he has not done anything. Where were you, Krish? Okay.
I was making it next costume.
Okay, you are so all right, very nice. But just show me how it is working for you.
Okay, sir.
So there is no bedroom background for you, right?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Let's add that also. Otherwise, it will look very simple, correct?
So can we also add the sound?
Yes, we will add the sounds also. So put a green flag on the top, okay?
Sir, how
Sir, I
you gonna start?
here.
Yes, start it. Very good. Father Day is coming. Let me surprise. So there is no weight you have added, right? So you
Yes,
have to
sir.
add a weight also. Okay, so let's do that. Let me go to Vihan's screen. Okay, Vihan.
Sir, can I
Akshita, I will come to you next after this, okay?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, Vihan, share. After Vihan, it is Rakshita. Okay, so,
It's not coming in my.
okay, I'll come to your screen. Star. Show me all the codes. What star is done? Okay, star is good. Show me the code for the backdrop. Okay. When this is click, wait. Yeah, everything is looking good. So if you go full screen, go full screen and start your code. Stop it and start it again. Okay, Father's Day is coming. I am going to surprise him. Very good. I love you. Very nice. Okay, very good.
Sure,
Now,
I'm mistaken.
okay, yeah, Ian. Okay, Ian, I'll come to you. Let me see what Rakshita has done.
Sir?
Very good, Vihan.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan.
how can I show this to my father?
You have to take a video recording, right? From a cell phone, you can take a video recording.
Sir, not in my house, sir.
How you have someone in your house? They can record this using their mobile phone, correct?
Sir, not in my house.
Okay. Then Sagarika, someone can take this from his mobile phone, right? The recording of this and can share.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right, Ian, just wait for 2 minutes, Ian. Let me go to Rakshita, okay? Rakshita, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just give me
Okay,
one.
so you must have done something great.
Haven't added any sound yet.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan?
Can I practice my game, sir?
First save your work, otherwise we'll all get lost. Okay. Okay, let's first see what Rakshita Didi has done. Okay, Rakshita, please go ahead. Oh my God, Father, very dead. You'll be so surprised. Very good. Oh, you are the dancing girl. Very nice. Okay, good.
And the heart is also beating. So
Yes, very nice. Yippee, I'm so happy with very good. Okay. All right. So let me go to Yan now. Yan.
yes,
So
sir,
you can also add more if you want, Rakshita. My father is strongest. My father is Superman. Okay. All right. Okay, Yan, please share.
No, 1 second.
Okay. Show me your code. Okay.
I'm doing this.
Father Day is coming. Let me surprise my father. Okay. The background is not coming, right? So let's go back to your code. Let's go back to your code. Okay. Okay, over here, just click over here and select bedroom 1.
Bedroom.
Okay. And now show me your code. Now go and play it. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now let's go back to the code again. Okay. Let's go back to the code and let's select this first sprite.
The dancer.
Yes. And go to control. Go to control. Go to forever. Put forever over here. Then go to looks. Say next costume. Then after that, go to control again. Go to control and put a wait of 0.5 second over here. Okay, now let's go full screen and see how it looks like. Okay, let's go full screen. Oh, you are dancing also. Very good. Okay, good dance, Yan. Okay, so Yan, you can save this work and you can show it to your father. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Can I leave, sir?
Yes, Yan, but save your work. Do you know how to save it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please save
Or
your
can you
work.
help me?
Yes, I'll come one by one for everything. Bye, Yan. Yes, who is next?
Sir,
Yes.
can I leave?
Vihan, you are done. Show me what you have done.
Okay, sir.
Is your sprite also dancing?
No, sir. I
Then
don't know how to do it, sir.
you have done that, right? Forever, next costume, wait. Show me, go full screen and show me.
No, sir, that was me.
Oh, that was you, Krish. Okay, all right. Okay,
Sir, that
Vihan.
was me.
Okay, got it. Vihan, just select your first sprite.
This.
Yeah,
Sir?
select your first sprite. Now drag and drop forever. Below that.
Yes, sir.
No, below. At the end. Yes, very good. Then go to looks, say next costume. Then go to control and do wait of 1 second. Okay, and now go full screen and show me how it looks like. Let's stop it and go on full screen again. Stop this. Go full screen again. Okay. Okay, Father Day is coming. I'm going to surprise him. Okay, I love you. Very good. Okay, very nice. So now, thank you, Vihan. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, you can save this work. Do you know how to save?
Yes, sir, I already saved it.
Okay, but save it again. You made some
Sir, can I
changes.
show? Sir, can I show?
Okay, Krish, I'll come to you.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes, Agarika.
can I share my screen?
Let Krish do it. Okay, I'll come to
Okay.
it.
Bye,
Okay, Krish. Bye, Vihan.
Sir, can I start?
Yes, please start.
Sir,
Please start.
sir.
Yes. Father Day is coming.
Sir
Let me
started.
surprise. But why you did not wait or what? There's something wrong with your code, right? How much time you are waiting? You're not waiting for 4 seconds.
Sir, wait.
Show me your code.
Sir, this is of that.
Show me your code.
No, sir.
So we did it. So my sister left because of some
Sir,
network
this is
issue.
of start.
Okay. Krish, I'm not able to see your screen. Okay. Anant, can you share?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Rakshita.
sir, the thing is the network. There are some network issues at home, so like the meeting. I left the meeting yesterday.
Okay, but you have saved it, right? You can show me tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Thanks. Okay, who is sharing now? Anant?
Sir and me. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Share. Sir.
Oh, yours is different boy. Father directly surprised my father. Very good. I love you. Very nice. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Okay. I'll then talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye. Yes, Krish, you are back.
I can leave.
Yes, Anand. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Okay, Krish. Krish, you have to share. Okay, Sagarika, please share. Okay, Krish has started sharing. Okay. Now show me your backdrop code. Show me your code for your backdrop. You're not waiting for, why are you waiting just for 2 seconds?
Sir,
You have to wait for 4 seconds.
sir,
Yes.
can I share screen?
Let Krish complete the work. Okay. All right,
Okay.
Krish. Now go full screen, Krish. Okay. Father Day is coming. Let me surprise my father. Very good. Very nice. Okay. All right. Good. Good job. Okay, Krish, then I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay. And you will show this to your father. I can't hear you, Krish.
Sir, I will show.
Okay. All right. Okay. Bye.
Sir, can I share?
Yes, Sagari.
Excuse
Please
me,
go
sir.
ahead.
Sir,
Yes,
can I
sir.
show that I have made it?
Yes, you have to show it to your father, right? You can show it to him. Okay. All right. Bye. So what special? Oh, you have got one more. This you need to show tomorrow. Okay. All right. Show me.
Sir, it's very small though.
No, but go full screen and do it, right?
Okay.
Okay. What should I do for my? Let me do something special. Very good. I love. Very nice. Oh, your father is also dancing now? Oh, there is a music also. Very good. Okay. That's nice. Okay. I think you can show him now. Okay. And can he also do on top of that man who is dancing, right?
Yeah.
He can also say, I love my daughter. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. I'll talk to you tomorrow then. Okay.
Okay. Bye,
Bye
sir.
then. Take care. Bye.